Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the microphone volume or boost the microphone in your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you need to do is move your mouse pointer to the bottom right and then right-click on the speaker icon, and then click on Sounds. Now in this window, click on the Recording tab and here you will see your microphones. Now, in my case, I only have one microphone and that is why it is showing just a microphone. If you have more than one microphone, those will show up here as well. Now, if you want to increase the sound of a microphone, first you need to make it default. So I'm just going to select it, and then click on Set as Default. Since this is my only microphone, it is the default one already. Now, once you select your default microphone, you need to double-click on that microphone. And this window will pop up. Now from here, you need to go to the Levels tab. And here you can see two options. The first one is the microphone volume, of course. And the second one is the boost option. Now from here, to increase the microphone volume or the microphone gain, you can just move this to the right. And to decrease, you can move this to the left. Now, the boost option, you may not have this boost option on your computer. Some microphones have it, some microphones don't. So, if you have it, you can use this boost option to boost your microphone. Now, once you boost it from 0 to 12 decibel, you need to test your microphone to see that if it sounds good, because when you boost it too much, the microphone will increase a lot of background noise and that is not good for audio. And that is why you need to test how you sound and then you need to adjust more. And once you are done adjusting, all you can do is just click on OK and then click on OK from here and you will be good to go.